In this example, I have 4 to the power of x plus 5, where our exponent has a variable and is an expression, added by 6, and is equal to 23. So at the moment, I actually have two parts, the 4 to the power of x plus 5, and then I have the plus 6 on the left side, while I only have one part on the right side, which is the 23. So what I need to do, in order to get one part on the left side, I need to cancel out the 6. So the opposite of plus 6 is minus 6 on the left side. I gotta do the same thing on the right side. So I'm gonna have 4 to the power of x plus 5 equal 23 minus 6 is 17. So now I am down to one part on the left side and then one part on the right side. So let's review with our base 4 and its exponent. We know that 4 to the 1 power is just 4. 4 to the second power is 16. And then 4 to the third power is 64. Now, we know that 17 is between 16 and 24. That means that the value of your exponent, x plus 5, should be approximately a decimal number between 2 and 3. So in order to find the value of x, meaning we need to solve for x, since we have one part on the left side and then one part on the right side, we're going to do log on both sides. So log, parenthesis, 4, and then since our exponent is an expression, parenthesis, x plus 5, close parenthesis, and then close parenthesis again, equal to log 17. Now, we're going to apply the power property. We're going to move the exponent in front of log, and again, it's an expression, parenthesis, x plus 5, close parenthesis, so I'm going to rewrite it exactly how you see it, parenthesis, x plus 5, close parenthesis, and then log of 4. That's all I did. And then equal to log of 17. Now, just like in the previous example, since it's log 4 multiplying to x plus 5, I'm going to distribute log 4 to the x and to the plus 5. So I'm going to have x log of 4 plus 5 log of 4. The whole thing is equal to log of 17. So that's what you should have when you distribute log of 4 to x plus 5. Now after that, I need to cancel out 5 log of 4 so that I can get this by itself. So I'm going to subtract 5 log of 4 on both sides. Now when we subtract on both sides by 5 log of 4, I'm going to have x log of 4 equal log of 17 minus 5 log of 4. Now the next step is I'm going to get x by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by log of 4. So that means that, and I'm going to write right here, so x is equal, now my numerator, it has two parts, log of 17 minus 5 log of 4. So that means that my numerator has its own set of parentheses, and I'm going to write it in orange. There's my set of parentheses right here, so that I'm saying that the numerator, these two part, goes together in the numerator, over log of 4, and I'm also going to include another set of parentheses on the denominator, stating that log of 4 is just in the denominator and it's separated from the numerator. So again, the main focus will be this. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on. Now, once you are allowed the use of a scientific calculator, just simply typing in what you see here. So, again, if you have the use of a scientific calculator, parenthesis, log, excuse me, that's natural log. So parenthesis, log of 17, don't forget, close parenthesis, minus 5 log of 4, close parenthesis twice, so I close it twice, divided, open parenthesis, log of 4, and then close it twice. My answer is negative 2.956. So that's the value of x. So when I plug it in, you will get the correct value for your problem, for an original problem. But the value of x is negative 2.956, approximately. As long as you did the setup of the work correctly, and then you type it into the calculator correctly, you get the correct answer for the value of x. But again, the main focus is on this work.